National integration. National integration refers to the coming together of different ethnic groups to form a nation with a common history, language, and government. Importance of national integration. It fosters unity and cooperation among members of a state, enhances political stability. It promotes national development as people pool their resources to support national projects. It enhances security as it eliminates suspicion between people. It enables people to solve common problems together. It facilitates efficient and accurate communication between people through the use of national language. It promotes collective responsibility in a nation. It promotes patriotism among the people. It upholds cultural values. The Constitution allows the promotion of cultural activities. It creates a suitable environment for foreign and domestic investment. National unity. Factors that enhance national unity: unitary government, the presidency, education, equal distribution of resources, the constitution, socioeconomic factors like region, trade, employment, national language, national awards or presidential awards, national political parties, parliament. Factors that limit national unity: divisive politics, because they divide Kenyans. We have religion, that is religious differences, unequitable distribution of national resources, corruption, ethnicity, racism, nepotism. Causes of personal conflicts: incitement by others, inability to meet other people's expectations, failure to respect other people's rights and freedoms, differences in freedoms, differences in opinion. This may be due to differences in religion, political inclinations, cultural or moral values. Personality differences, threats to one's security. These could be socio-economic threats, for example, marriage and employment. Causes of national conflicts: differences in political ideologies, ethnicity, unequitable distribution of national resources, cultural and religious differences, economic rivalry, leadership squabbles. Causes of international conflicts: economic rivalry, border disputes, and religious differences. So methods of resolving conflicts. There is arbitration. Here, arbitration, remember, it involves the use of a third party to solve a dispute. Traditional Kenyan societies use the service of the elders. There is litigation. Litigation is filing of a lawsuit in a court of law. Negotiation, diplomacy. The process of resolving conflicts. Stages of conflict resolution. Identification of the causes of conflict. Discussion of the options for resolving the conflict. Selection of a solution. And then number 4, implementation. And implementation is whereby there's guidance and counseling, there's mediation, or also sanctions. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below and what video you want I look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.